This is the fourth case study from the Venezuela's GDP dataset provided by Conindustria. And this is very interesting because we are seeing in a line chart on a time series how in the last year, 2023, the GDP from Venezuela is nearly the same as the year 1995. Okay, it's like a 30-year economic setback. Okay, but the real issue was here. All these years with recession, and from a chart or time series point of view, for me, the version one or this alternative was emphasize or try to focus the the look from this kind of title. This title from last year, this title for 1995, with a circle a little bit more greater than the normal ones, but also here in the growth or the recession time, some kind of encoding with two variables, a different color, red color, and a different image or a square, not circle, is a square here. Okay, these are the selections for telling the people here. This is a setback, okay, again, and the most important part was here. But I want another version, and in this version is to highlight this era, these years, okay? Some kind of shade area, some kind of or rectangle. So in the version number 2, we have it, okay? And the version number 3 is the same, but in different color, okay? All black and white, okay? So to create this, the file is in the description, or the URL from the case study from the web page is just click and download the file. It's nearly the same for all. For at least for this, the GDP for 1995 is a filter from the GDP USD. Okay, this is the sum of the column. The GDP for 2023 is the same. These are the details. Is as if statement. If statement is year is 2023. This is the text. Okay, and also for the 1995. The recession is a filter, just a table, filtering a table with these years, and some you're creating the sum, iterating from this table, summing or plus the column USD The lower bound and the upper bound from this maybe is the most difficult part from the DAX perspective, okay? Because we need to create some kind of error bar from the recession strictly using an upper bound and a lower bound, but first creating a virtual table or temporary table, iterating with the upper bound with minutes, and also with calculate using a remote filters over the years, because if you don't do this, you will see that it will respect the borders, and it's not the thing I needed. Okay, this is for the upper bound, and the lower bound is the same, but using math sets, the same iterator, but searching for the math value. Okay, and the upper bound for the last year, this is the constant from the 1993, using the last year, this measure for which is the last year in the dataset 2023, give me this year to set a constant line in the horizontal axis, okay, or the y-axis, to create this line, the color blue, and also trying to set, okay, this is the year, which one of all the years previous from the recession is almost the same from 2023. Is the year 1995. So it was a really cool case study. I remember to trying to emulate this kind of vertical axis some few months ago, and it didn't work. But in this case, it works very well. So let's keep practicing.